Good afternoon, my people. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, this is Teacher Mary, and my Igbo name is Onyemechi. Okay, still want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Today, we'll be talking about family, all the names of the people in the family, what we call them in Igbo language. So you'll be identifying them. We're going to be starting with the father. So what is father in Igbo? Father, like daddy. No, not daddy. Daddy is actually, it's English. So, it's Western, not from us. So when we call father, we call father nna, nna, nai, nnam. So when we say nnam, nnam, it means my father. Nnam, my father. Nai, our father. Nai, our father. So either you say nnam, which is my father, or you say nai, our father, or you just say nna. You just say nna. So nna means father. So the next one is mother. Mother. What is mother in Igbo? Mother means nne. Nne. Okay, so nne means our mother. Nnem means my mother. Nnem. So you notice something that I'm saying nnem, nnam, nnam, means me. Me. Nnam, nnem, nnam, my father. Nnem, my mother. Okay. So moving up, in the family, we have father, mother, and we have the children. Okay, so that's the first family, which is a nuclear family. Then we call the children Omu. Mwa. Omu. Omu means children. Mwa is child. Mwa. Mwam, my child. Omum, my children. Omum, omu, children. Mwa, child. So take notes. Don't mix them up. Mwa is a child. Omu, children. So remember, father, na, mother, ne, mwa, child. Omu, children. So moving forward, we have grandparents. Grandparents. So grandparents, nna. So when you say nne, remember nne is a mother. Nna. Nna means father. So nna, my mom's grandma. Grandma is nna. Nne. That direct translation is say my mom's father. Oh, sorry. My dad's mom. My dad's mom. Nna. Nennam. So it means, and that's why, just like Yoruba, Amutonwa, where a Yoruba person will say, Babatunde, Babatunde, Yabo. So in Igbo, that's why we have some people name call themselves Nenna. So Nenna, they're saying that, oh, this person, this child looks so much, or this child is my mom. Maybe they gave birth to the girl's child, the daughter, and the daughter looks so much like her mom. So they call her Nne, Nam. It looks so much like, especially the father claiming that this child is my mom. Maybe late. So probably the man lost his mom or father. It could be Nana. Nana means this boy, child, looks so much like my father. So, nenne, nenna, nana. I'm going to go over it again for you to understand. So, father is na, mother is ne, child is nwa, children is called Omu. Okay? Omu. Remember, we're talking about family now. I'm not talking about so someone might be thinking, what of Omazi? So when we get to that one, that is actually a total different thing. So grandparents, my grandma now, from you have father's side and mother's side. So whichever it is, if it's your maternal grandma, so you say nne name, maternal grandma, name. So this is a mother to my mother, name. Nne nnam, mother to my father. Nne nnam, mother to my father. So that's paternal grandma. Nne nnam. Okay, we're moving. So the same, whichever way you put, if it's from the father, paternal or maternal, whichever one. So you should know that your grandparent is called, if it's a female one, you say nne, nene, nena. Okay, nene is mother to my mother, nena is mother to my father. If it's the father now, you say nna, nne, nna name, father to my mother, nna name. If it's now, so if nna nnam, father to my father, nna nnam. So we talked about grandparent, we've talked about father, mother, child, children, grandparents. Okay, let's look at what about aunts, uncles, and all those things. Okay, yeah, in Igbo we have those things, but not in depth like the English. So just need to talk about the ones that we are very familiar with. Now, auntie, one name. So it could be one name a man, one name a male, a female rather. So it could be anyone. One name means siblings. Let me take it out. So anytime you hear someone say one name means my siblings. So one name or one name. So sibling to my mom. One nam. Remember, nna means father. One nam, sibling to my father. One name, sibling to my mother. Have we gotten that? Okay, so moving to, I want to talk about the cousins now. I want to talk about cousins. So we can just say, one name. It's kind of getting longer, but just know when you know what each person represents in Igbo, you'll be able to marry them together. Okay, so nwanne means my sibling. Nwa means a child. So if you say nwa, nwanne name, nwa, child, nwanne, sibling, name, mother. So a child of my mom's siblings, a child, my mother's my cousin. Name, nam. Okay, so now if is your niece or nephew, just say one name. So this is my this is my niece. So it means that this child girl belonged to my sister. Okay, so one name. Remember, one name means siblings. One name means sibling. My sister or my brother. So one name. Nwa means child. Okay? Nwa, child. One name, my sibling's child. One name. All right. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Remember father, nna. Nne, one name. Nwa, as a child. Umu, children. Thank you very much. Bye.